Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Choco French Rolls. This recipe is really easy to make, it's really delicious, and uses basic ingredients. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for this recipe, we will need 5 to 6 no-crust breads, then some cocoa spread, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 20 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then we're also going to use 20 ml of milk. So first we're going to roll out our bread like this. We are using no crust bread. You can also just use crust bread or seeded bread and then just cut the borders off. So then we're just going to spread on our Nutella or cocoa powder. You can use as much or as little as you like. Then roll it up gently but tightly. So it looks like this, and then we're going to repeat this step for all of our breads, like this. So we're going to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to our 1 egg. This is optional. Then we'll add in around 20 ml of milk, and then whisk it. Then once it's whisked, we're just going to coat our bread like this. So remember to coat it from all the sides, not just one side. And then we're going to do the same for all of our breads. So then we're going to take a heated pan and add in our 20 grams of butter. Just let it melt like this. And then once it's melted, place in your bread rolls. Make sure the flame is on low to medium. Then we're going to let it cook for a moment until we just turn it around a bit. So as you can see, they're nicely browned. You don't want to turn it over after it's been burnt or when it's not cooked yet. You just want to get this nice golden brown colour. So as you can see, they're nicely done from each side. Now we're going to make our cinnamon and sugar powder to coat them in. So if you just take them out into a plate, then take another bowl, add in some sugar and your cinnamon powder. Give it a good mix. You can use white sugar as well, it's entirely up to you. Then we're going to coat our Choco French Rolls in this mixture. And then it's time for plating. I've hoped you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!